Charles's law is an ideal gas law where the temperature of an ideal gas is directly in proportion to it. Hang on, wait, stop. Science doesn't have to be hard, boring or tedious. Charles's law was discovered by Jacques Charles when he invented the world's first hydrogen balloon. It was found that ideal gases such as oxygen and hydrogen expand to the same volume over the same 80-degree intervals. This was found by Joseph Gay-Lussac. Along with Charles, he did most of his research upon a hot air balloon, viewing the glorious scenes of Paris. But this was all done well over 150 years ago, so how can we be sure this research is still valid? This is the popping can. This is a perfect example of Charles's law. When the can is being heated, the particles of air are constantly moving and therefore expanding. But when it is placed into ice water, the air becomes cold and stops moving as fast. This makes a smaller volume of air, causing the can to pull inwards, bringing water with it. Had the can not been heated, the can would not condense or pull in water. The next experiment is called the burning candle experiment. When candles are lit and placed into a container of water and a large measuring cylinder placed over the top, the candle eventually becomes suffocated because of the oxygen depletion, and with that a change in temperature occurs, causing the water level to rise within this measuring cylinder. This happens again due to the change in temperature. Once the temperature drops, the volume of water decreases and pulls the water upwards. The following two experiments are called the birthday egg and egg in a bottle. When a strip of paper is lit and placed into the conical flask and a hard-boiled egg placed over the top, the egg is pulled into the conical flask by the decreasing volume of air caused by a drop in temperature. In the next, two lit candles were placed on top of a hard-boiled egg. Then, the conical flask was positioned upside down over the top of the birthday egg. The egg is eventually pulled into the conical flask with no added pressure by me. The egg is pulled into the conical flask both times due to the volume of the air decreasing when the temperature drops. The air looks for someone to share all the room within the conical flask and eventually finds the egg, pulling it inward. These experiments successfully proved the validity of Charles's law.